Hey guys, it's the GM Twins, and as usual, the kitchen is open for more fun stuff. So enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, remember, never give up, never lose hope, never ever. So today, we're going to learn how to make coconut cookies. Like, it's super foolproof and you're gonna love it. So the first step, as usual, is to wash your hands, guys. You need to wash your hands. Like, for a good beginning, you need to wash your hands. So the second step, I'm going to teach you how to make grated coconut at home. If you can like buy it right now, but you could surely make it at home, and it's so easy, yeah. So if you can buy this, you can make this. The first step is to break the coconut. Separate the white part from the back, yeah, this is the first step. Then cut into smaller pieces for easy grating, and grate the white part of the coconut to yield 2 cups. Use the tiniest part of the whole. So put a pan on a medium heat. Allow the water to dry, yeah, before pouring in the grated coconuts. Yeah, actually this is to take away the excess moisture, yeah, and please spread it around the pan to prevent bumps, yeah. So stir around, do not let it turn brown. So remove from it and spread it out on a plate. Leave it to dry for about 5 minutes. So set 2 cups of grated coconut aside and proceed with the next step. And the third step, melt 1 cup of butter in a pan until it turns golden brown. This takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Yeah. So that is my butter. Now it's in the pan, it's melting, yeah, until it turns like golden brown. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So after this, leave to chill in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. So while the melted butter is in the refrigerator, let's proceed with the next step. And the next step is to pour out 2 cups of flour in the bowl, add a pinch of salt, then add a teaspoon of baking soda. Then sieve it out, yeah. So you add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda, then sieve it out, yeah. As simple as that. So the next step, bring out the melted butter from the refrigerator. Pour the melted butter in the bowl. Add 1 spoonful of brown sugar and 2 spoonfuls of white sugar. Yeah, I actually need less sugar for this, and I love it so much for that. So you can see me the butter, yeah. Then add the brown sugar, just 1 spoonful, and the white sugar, 2 spoonful. So the next step, oil and egg mixed together thoroughly. Yeah, it's so simple as this, oil and egg and mixed together thoroughly. It's very important. Yay! Mix that together. Mix that together thoroughly. So oil add teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it together. So I just have teaspoon. We can do without that most times. So the next step, now mix in the flour into the wet mixture slowly. Actually, you kind of like add half cup or 1 cup, then mix, then add the next 1 cup. Just mix it slowly. Yeah, there's a reason for that. You can mix it first with a long spoon. So I'm adding the 2nd cup, yeah. Then you knead it with your hands, just like that, just like that. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you're loving this. So the next step, or 2 cups of grated or flaked coconut. Knead with your beautiful hands, yeah. So you remember the coconut, set aside, yeah, the grated coconut or the flaked coconut, then add that, just 2 cups, yeah, 2 cups are that. And knead it with your beautiful hands. Everything is coming together and I'm loving it. I hope you are too. So the next step, wrap in a plastic bag, yeah, the dough and refrigerate for 15 minutes, yeah, to make the texture firmer. So after 15 minutes, the next step, after 15 minutes, spread flour on the flat surface, then place the dough out, then like roll it flat with the rolling pin. You place the dough on the surface and roll the rolling pin, yeah. And you can sprinkle flour on the dough, then firmly press a glass cup on the dough to form a round shape. So you see this in this video, I'm spreading the flour and putting the dough on the surface, then I'm rolling with a rolling pin. You can also spread it on the surface, so look at that, yeah. So you just press the glass cup, round glass cup on it, yeah. Just like that, bring it out. Yeah, if there's no space for more statues, then we need the dough, roll it out and continue with the formal steps. So there's more. So the next step, lay out all the sachet dough on a baking tray so it's time for baking. Everything is coming together and I'm so loving it. So loving it. So you can see it's in the baking tray, ready for baking. So bake for 20 to 25 minutes, yeah, depending on your kind of oven. You might either bake a side for 12 minutes, then the other side for 13 minutes, but please know your oven. And as usual, we did it, yeah, we did it. So sorry for free photography to share the beautiful videos and pictures. So let us check it out, the beautiful pictures and videos gotten from this video. So there we go, it's total foolproof. It's so, oh my goodness, the texture, everything is so detailed. So follow the steps to bring out this coconut cookie. It's so classy. You'll love it, your family will love it. And as usual, I'll take one and the rest eat up everything, but you know, that's what I do. I prefer to cook or bake for others and for them to enjoy. And I love seeing their faces like I'm through when I see them enjoying those cookies. And I'm sure if you make this too, your family will be so happy with you with this total foolproof coconut cookies. And you can glaze it with whatever you want. You can glaze it in chocolates and cheese. This is your choice, whatever you choose to glaze it with. So I decided to glaze it with chocolate. Yeah, I melted chocolate and I glazed it with it. So it's your choice, whatever you want to use to glaze it, as long as you enjoy it. And you could just dip it inside chocolates. Yeah, just the way you like it. It's your choice. Just look at this. I will say something, camera makes things beautiful, yeah. So bringing out the beauty of the cookies with the camera makes me feel so good, and I hope it's making you feel good as well. Even the sun wants a bit of this, but the sun is like sharing this light, so it's making everything beautiful, and I love it all. I hope you're loving this too. It's so full of coconuts, yummy texture, oh my goodness, when it comes to your mouth. You feel you're eating coconut with bliss of goodness, touch of kitchen delight and GM kitchen. And there's a lot to say, but you know what? Make it. Comment below. Tell me how it went, and do not forget to like and subscribe as well for more of this delicious recipe. So leave to cool for a few minutes before eating it. It's very important. So don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. It's the Gym Twins, yay! And I hope you all had a good time. So I have enough for you guys. It is full of help.